In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share audio on Google Meet. If you need other people in your meeting to hear sound from your computer, Google Meet gives you a simple way to do that while sharing your screen. This is especially useful if you're playing a video, demonstrating a presentation with sound, or sharing any kind of media that includes audio. The key is making sure the audio sharing option is turned on before you begin presenting. Start by finding the Share Screen option in your Google Meet window. Depending on the version you're using, this may also appear as Present Now. Click on it to begin the screen sharing process. Once you do, Google Meet will open the sharing menu and give you different choices for what you want to present, such as your entire screen, a window, or a browser tab. Take a moment here to choose the option that makes the most sense for what you're trying to share. As you go through this sharing prompt, look carefully for the audio setting. You should see a toggle labeled Share Audio, usually below the main screen sharing choices. Before you confirm the share, turn that toggle on. This step is important because if you skip it, the people in your meeting may be able to see your content but won't hear any sound coming from it. Once the toggle is enabled, continue with the share as normal. After you start presenting, it's a good idea to play a quick sound or a short part of your media and confirm that participants can hear it clearly. If they can't, stop sharing and check whether the share audio option was turned on correctly. In some cases, choosing a browser tab can work better for audio than sharing your entire screen, especially when you're sharing video content. Also, make sure your computer's volume is turned up to an appropriate level, since very low system volume can affect what others hear. If you're using headphones, remember that shared audio usually comes from your system output, so testing ahead of time can save you trouble during the meeting. And that's it. To share audio on Google Meet, click on Share Screen, then turn on the Share Audio toggle below. Once that's enabled, you can present content with sound much more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll